Hello, my name is Mateo, and this is my qualitative analysis task. This dataset consists of social media comments and engagement figures from both BMW and Tesla's social media accounts. There are two columns which separate the data and comments between both companies. Then, some key metrics are provided in the form of amount of retweets, likes, quotes, and replies, which demonstrate the engagement of each comment. I believe it's important to note that many of the comments present in this dataset have no engagement whatsoever. This demonstrates that there is definitely room for improvement in both Tesla and BMW social media posting, as well as what they choose in order to boost engagement. When comparing BMW and Tesla's descriptive statistics, it is evident that Tesla has an advantage in almost every metric analyzed. Tesla shows to have the highest engagement in all of the variables present. Furthermore, Tesla's like statistics are the highest within all of the descriptive statistics. When talking about the text to numeric variable process, there are many steps that must be achieved. First, the data must be acquired. This can be achieved by utilizing various forms of social media analytics tools. Social media analytics tools allow for key insights to be uncovered, such as identifying different market trends, as well as allows companies to study their demographics and identify what engages their customers. Secondly, converting the data set into a corpus object is an important next step for a large text document such as this one. Corpus Text 2023 states that assigning the dataset into being a corpus object assists with the subsequent tokenization process, as it programs RStudio into understanding how large the text document is. Next, data tokenization is used in order to ensure that text statistics in data can be formed and shifted into numerical variables. By breaking down sentences into individual words, it allows for the subsequent analysis to be conducted in a much more effective way, as it will focus on only analyzing keywords instead of large sentences. Next and lastly, it is the data cleaning and removing of common stop words from the dataset. Common and repetitive words, as well as stop words, can provide a hindrance to the data analysis, as they are text items which really don't serve a purpose in the analysis process. The result of the analysis showed that there is a high amount of value for both BMW and Tesla commenters revolving around the idea of innovation. Additionally, the value of hedonism was ever present in many of the comments regarding BMW, whereas an interest in sustainability and eco-friendly practices was extremely evident in the comments surrounding Tesla. The main dependent variable of this model is the variable of retweets. Retweets are a great indicator and offer great assistance in growing reach. Furthermore, a study conducted by Griffiths 2023 states and determines that retweets are a sign of customers valuing the post content. Customer value theory has been used to determine this conceptual model, and it focuses on the certain customer values which inherently determine whether a consumer is willing to purchase or engage a product or service. By using this customer value theory, the conceptual model was developed to demonstrate how the portrayal of certain values can result in a high amount of engagement, as the content will represent the audience and their values, and will ensure that customers will feel as though their views are being aligned with the company's. Harvard Business Review 2009 states, in order to design effective products and services, the company must cater and promote ideals that customers value. As mentioned in the conceptual model, the portrayal of values by a company is the biggest determinant as to a consumer's brand engagement with a product or service. Tesla's brand identity has long been that of innovation and sustainable practices, which has led to the large following they have today. Therefore, making this even more prominent on their social media platforms, such as Twitter, will ensure that they have a high engagement, but more specifically, higher amount of retweets. Using short, precise keywords in posts will assist in retweet ability. Additionally, the use of vagueness in the post will assist in potential retweets, as it will cater to a larger audience rather than putting a detailed statement that may cut down the sharing and retweet potential. Although BMW shares some similarities with Tesla with the comments surrounding innovation and the importance of it, there was a large amount of comments surrounding pleasure, excitement, and materialism. BFI Finance states that hedonism is defined as an idea as to where pleasure and or enjoyment is the main goal of life. In that case, it would be very worthwhile for BMW to promote these values in their advertisement and online posts to further their chances of increasing engagement online. Similar to the last post, the use of vague language will enhance retweetability due to its shareable nature.